What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial provides a straightforward guide on how to permanently delete your Alibaba Cloud account. Whether you're on a free trial or simply wish to close your account, this process is simple and quick, taking only a few minutes. Following the steps will ensure that all associated services are removed, preventing any unwanted billing. So let's begin. First, open any web browser that's available on your devices. Since all you need is a browser to do this, like mine, I use a Brave browser to do the tutorial. After you open any web browser, click the search bar on your device and type alibabacloud.com. While we are on the Alibaba Cloud website, make sure that your account is logged in. As you can see, mine is already on the website and logged in. After you log into the website, point your cursor at the Profile tab, which is located at the top right of the website screen. Just beside the Console tab, the menu will appear. Just click the Account Management tab so that we can proceed. In the Account Management tab, locate the Delete Account section. After you locate the Delete Account section, click the Delete Account in the Delete Account section. It depends on which social media account you use to confirm your deletion of the account. For me, it's Google, so the mail will be sent to my Gmail. Deleting your Alibaba Cloud account is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few minutes. By following the steps, you can ensure that your account and all associated services are removed, preventing any future charges. If you have further questions about Alibaba Cloud or related services, feel free to explore additional resources or reach out for support. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.